Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we will learn how to find the matrix of minors for a given matrix. So first of all, suppose there is a matrix. So here we will check it for 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix and further on. So let's suppose there is a matrix that is A, B, C, D. So we know that the order of this matrix is 2 cross 2. And we have to remember that minor is only applicable for a square matrix. Means if a matrix is not a square, means its number of rows should be equal to number of column. Then we cannot obtain the minor of that matrix. So here this is a square matrix of 2 row and 2 column, and these are the elements defined. So we can write these elements as A11, A12, A21 and A22. And what it represents? It means, so let name this matrix as A. So A11 means this is the element of first row and first column. This is the element of first row and second column, second row and first column, and second row and second column. So the minor matrix representing A is M11, this is M12, this is M21 and this is M22. Now we have to find the value of this M11, M12, M21 and M22. So if you want to find the minor of an element of a matrix, then what we have to do? We have to replace that row and column and find the determinant of remaining matrix. So this is M11, means we have to just cancel out this row and this column, and we have to find the determinant of remaining matrix. So only one element is remaining. So we will write here the value of M11 is as D. Then we will find out the value of M12, means first row and second column should be removed, then this C will be left. Then we can write the value of M12 as C. Then we can write it as M13, M21. So we will remove the second row and first column. So second row will be removed and first column will be removed, then B will be remaining. So the value of M21 is B. Now to find the value of M22, we will remove the second row and second column, then the remaining element is known as the value of M22. So the matrix of minors of A we can write this matrix as this is D, this is C, this is B and this is A. So this is for the 2 cross 2 matrix, and it is also a square matrix. Now we will learn how to find the matrix of minors for a 3 cross 3 matrix. So suppose we just name the elements as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is a 3 cross 3 matrix, means there are 3 row and 3 columns. Now to find the minor, we have to find the matrix of minor for this matrix, we have to find the minor of each element. So suppose we need to find the matrix of minor for first row and first column, means this element. So what we need to do? We need to remove this row and remove this column, and we have to find the determinant of this remaining matrix. So we can write this as determinant of 5, 6, 8 and 9. So if we will solve this, we will cross multiply and subtract. This will become 45 minus 48. So what we will get? This is minus 3. This is the value of M11. And similarly, we have to find the minor of each element, M12, M13, so M12. So in this, we need to just remove the first row and second column, and this matrix will be remaining. So we have to find the determinant. This will become 4, 7, 6 and 9. And if we will cross multiply, then we can find the determinant. This will become 36, this will become 42. So minus 6 is remaining. Now we need to find the M13. Means we need to remove the first row and third column, and we have to find the determinant of this remaining matrix. So we can write this as 4, 7, this is 5 and this is 8. And if we will cross multiply and subtract, then we will get the value of determinant. So it will become 32, it will become 35. So again we got the value of M13 as minus 3. Now we will find the minor of M21, means second row and first column we will remove, and we have to find the determinant of remaining matrix. So we will get it as 2, 3, this is 8, 9. Okay. So if we will cross multiply, we will get the value of determinant. So it is 18 minus 24. This will become minus 6. Now we will find the value of M22. So M22 is second row and second column. So we will remove and we will find the determinant of remaining matrix. So what we will get? We will get 1, 7, 3 and 9. And if we will solve this, this will become 9 minus 21. This will become minus 12. To find the value of M33, so we have to remove, sorry, not M33, M23 means second row and third column. So this second row will be removed and third column will be removed. So what we will get? We will get the matrix as 1, 2, this is 7, 8. So we will get value of determinant as 8 minus 14, this will become minus 6. Now for third row, so we get M31. M31 means we have to remove the third row and first column, then the matrix will be remaining and we have to find the determinant of that. This 2, 3, this is 5 and 6. So if we will cross multiply, this is 12 minus 15. So it will become minus 3. Now we will find out M32, minor of third row and second column. So this is third row we have to remove and second column we have to remove. So the remaining matrix will be 1, 4, 3, 6 and the value will be 6 minus 12. So it is minus 6 and now the last element, that is third row and third column, and we have to find the minor. So we have to remove the third row and third column. So the remaining matrix is 1, 4, 2, 5 and we have to find the determinant. So this will be 5 minus 8, so it will be minus 3. Now the matrix of minor for matrix A, matrix of minor, and we can represent this matrix as M11. So M11 value is minus 3, M12 value is minus 6, M13 value is minus 3, then again minus 6, then again minus 12, then again minus 6, and here M31 is minus 3, this is minus 6 and this is minus 3. So this is the answer for 3 cross 3 matrix, and this is how we have to find the minor of each element. And similarly, in the next video we will learn how to find the cofactor matrix of a matrix, and in that video we will use how to find the minor, and then we will use certain formula to find the cofactor matrix. So I hope you got the concept how to find the minor of a matrix, and I have also made a calculator on my website to find the minor of a square matrix of any order. So we will also check whether we have done the correct solution or not. So let's move to our website. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.